If you guys didn't know, I used to have my own cleaning business. Homes, businesses, commercials. I literally had gotten like top 3, like rated top 3 cleaner in all of Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana. It was pretty awesome. So I'm gonna show you some of my little tricks. My roommate, he is a scuba diver, so he brings all kind of little critters home and shower, and it's disgusting after about 3 days. So I always gotta scrub it out. But luckily I'm awesome at cleaning things. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. And this will be like 3 days worth of nastiness. And you leave that for a month. I scrub the shower about once a week, or depending on how much he works and whatnot. So we take up to like 4 or 5 showers a day, depending on the day. Just like different things, at least once each. So yeah. So the other trick after is to use dish soap, especially like Dawn. That's amazing because that'll like squeak between it. But toilet bowl cleaner, best for cleaning. Plus it's got bleach, so that helps whiten, sanitize, and then a nice good scrub with dish soap. Also, for people who have, like glass shower doors, scrubbing that, then using dish soap. Then when you're done, use Rain-X, it puts the oil protectant to stop water drips, like on your windows of your car and stuff. It will work for your shower doors, and that's something I would use. And like over time, it will just help it stop showing all those water spots and everything. I mean, like this one client I had, their water and all that was just terrible, and after me just like doing my thing for a little while, I mean, it just looked invisible. You could see right through it. It was gorgeous, and obviously they loved it.